how to use VEO 3 for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Google One. After that, open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now over here, when we scroll down, you would be able to find this, that they are asking you to pay some money, but don't do this. Just simply select this option of Google AI, and here when we scroll down, you can get Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge. All you need is just a Gmail ID. Just simply select it, and here you go, you get it for free. Just simply click on get Google AI Pro, and under this you will get Gemini app, you will get Flow, Whisk, 1000 monthly AI credits, Notebook LM, and much more. And just simply click on get Google AI Pro. Now it will ask you to add a card or pay with UPI or any other option according to your country. Simply attach that card or attach that payment method, but right after you get the account, you can cancel the auto pay in order to avoid any payment after 1 month. So this way you would get it for free quite easily. And after that, you will have to open up your browser again and search for Google Vids. Then open up this very first link, and this is where it will take you. Now simply click on this option of sign in to Vids. Then use the same email ID that you used on Google One to get the free Gemini Pro. And this is where it will take you. Now simply close it up, and here you can see that VEO is available. Simply select it, provide your prompt, and you would get VEO 3.1, and you can generate videos using this for free. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.